2 Works For You weather. Certified most accurate.
All right, Taft Price filling in for George Flickinger still today, and the hurricane, or what's left of it, is getting closer and closer to us.
That's right. Now moving into northern Louisiana, then southern Arkansas, and it's going to move just to the east of us, it looks like. Let's get started and take a look at it. Viper 2 HD showing, well, you can easily see where Tropical Storm Isaac is right now with sustained winds up to 40 miles per hour, still moving off to the north and west ever so slowly, and some of those outer rain bands now moving towards the Little Rock area. Texarkana now seeing some showers, so it is slowly getting closer to us as it continues to slowly weaken as well to the north and west. Right now, those 40-mile-per-hour sustained winds moving to the north-northwest at 8 miles per hour. One thing I want you to notice, these are the spaghetti models. These are different types of models trying to determine where the center of Isaac is going to go. And you notice several of them actually take it into parts of eastern Oklahoma before curving it back to the east. A couple of models keep it in western areas of Arkansas, and the official National Hurricane path here for the next 2 or 3 days keeps it into western Arkansas. So you can see quite a range from around Little Rock on the eastern parts to Oklahoma City on the west. So this thing could still go a little bit farther to the west or to the east. Right now, we're going to take it across extreme areas of western Arkansas, and we'll watch it very closely. Dan's going to have an update for you later on this evening as we get more information on in. As we move on through the day, though, today we are going to see winds continue to drop off. 35-mile-per-hour winds by 7 o'clock, turning into a depression as it moves across western areas of Arkansas through the day tomorrow. That's going to be the best opportunity for showers and thunderstorms for us, and then it continues working its way on to the north and eventually curves back to the north and east as it weakens and moves into parts of the Great Lakes states, finally moving away. But the good news is we are going to see the potential for some heavy amounts of rain. Now, this weather model is kicking out lots of rain in northeastern Oklahoma. You notice anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches of rain. I think the heaviest of the rain is still going to be a little bit farther to the east than what we're looking at. But again, that path is going to make all the difference in who sees the heavy rain. Right now, it looks like the heaviest rain will be on the eastern side of the circulation. So if we have that path go right across western Arkansas, I do expect the heaviest rain to stay in central sections of Arkansas. If it moves over into eastern Oklahoma, well, that heavier rain is going to push to the west. So most places are going to experience some rainfall. I think I'm going to see lesser amounts of rain to the west, west of the Tulsa area. Heaviest amounts of rain still projected to be far eastern Oklahoma and into Arkansas. Into Arkansas itself, we have a flood watch already put into effect in advance of Isaac as it continues to work its way to the north. Here in eastern Oklahoma, no watches, no warnings in effect at the present time, but there is some potential we could see a flood watch possibly in far eastern Oklahoma. Down in Panama, east central Oklahoma, we are starting to see some of those clouds from Isaac starting to lift into far eastern sections of our state. Mostly sunny, though, here in Tulsa. 88 degrees right now. Heat index already in the low 90s. East and northeast wind currently at 8 miles per hour. Temperatures in the upper 80s across most areas. 90 degrees already in Fort Smith and 91 in Poto. And the wind starting to pick up out of the north and east, anywhere from about 7-8 miles per hour to as high as 17 miles per hour down in Fort Smith. And these winds will pick up a little bit more through the day today. So as we move through the rest of the afternoon and evening hours, we are going to see quiet weather here in northeast Oklahoma, but the clouds will increase as we head on through the day. Chance of showers in southeast Oklahoma late this afternoon, then a better chance of rain and storms moving into the area as we move on into our Friday. So we're going to have to watch it very closely here over the next 24 hours. 50% chance of showers coming up for tonight, 80% chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms tomorrow. That'll keep those temperatures in the mid-80s. It'll move out on Saturday, and then we'll heat up next week, 98 on Labor Day.
All right, thanks, Taft.